The calibration process is very quick for the customer. They can request an RMA through the website or via email. We will set up an RMA for them. They send in the parts. It will take about 3 to 5 days usually to calibrate the goods, and then we ship them back to the customer. My name is Maike Diekmann. I'm the head of technical support. So for the calibration, there's a lot of departments that are involved. There's the lab, where the physical calibrations are performed. In case there's repair required, then that goes to the repair team in our production. So there's a lot of teams involved. Obviously, if the customer has technical questions about the calibrations, the tech support team will be there to support them, to help them.
Our calibration laboratory is accredited to ISO 17025 by the German accreditation body, the DAX. My name is Michael Kies and I'm the head of the calibration laboratory. So with the DAX calibration service, we can provide the customer with calibrations that are recognized all over the world.
We have this ISO 17025 certification for power meters and power meter sensors, which allows us to basically offer a high level of certification for those customers that do need it. Often, industrial customers in the medical or pharmaceutical sectors, for instance, can require something a bit beyond what normal companies can offer. I'm Julien Vigoux, I'm the general manager at Thorlabs GmbH in Germany.
Calibrating the parts ensures that you can use them within their specifications, even if the part itself has aged or drifted over time. This is extremely important for anybody who uses our devices for precise measurement, who needs accurate measurements in their system, in their setup. It is also part of a lot of quality management systems on the customer end to prove that they regularly send in the goods for calibration.
So industries in which this is normatively prescribed. For example, any factory standard which test equipment is calibrated and also has to be validated by a DAX certificate. It is also suitable for users who are ISO certified and follows other industry-specific quality guidelines that must be traceable to national standards or also international standards. And only the accredited calibration certificate are suitable as a proof of traceability. So we standardize our traceability documentation with defining step-by-step calibration manuals, and we also include in this manuals the measurement equipment we have to use, also all the environmental conditions. So we have a software system where we can store all the data and also provide it to the customer afterwards.
At the Munich office, we produce most of the power meters, a lot of the measurement devices, a lot of the drivers. For all of those goods produced here, we offer the calibration service in-house. In addition to that, our US and China offices are also able to offer factory calibration for power meters and power meter sensors.
Beyond that, for the GmbH specifically, the power meter product line is very key for us. And so we're investing quite a bit in just making sure that we can always develop this product line further, also have a higher level of vertical integration for especially sensors, because a lot of the know-how and the difference in specifications come from the sensors themselves.
Customer centricity is at the core of our work here at Thorlabs. I would say every operation, every process, every task that we do ultimately has the customer as its core priority. We try to partner with the customer, we try to serve the customer with everything that we do. We interact with the customer every day and we want to make sure that they are successful